One of the most popular applications that we promote is heat printing shoes with this heat press. We started with what used to be a custom platen based on a customer's idea and some collaboration, where we invented this shoe platen that fits on any Hotronix base press. Now it's a stock platen. It's become so popular, and people are making entire businesses and profit streams out of heat printing shoes. So on this press, I mentioned it's very easy to change out the platen. I'm just going to unclick, lift the 16 by 20 off to the side. I'm going to drop my shoe platen in. It's a pin registration with all the latest Hotronix presses. Lock it into place, and now I'm prepared to load a pair of shoes. Now we have YouTube videos on how to heat print shoes that you're welcome to watch. I'm not going to actually press a pair of shoes today because we have an in-depth tutorial on it already on YouTube, but basically you load a pair of shoes, you position your design in fashion film, you want to make sure that every part of the shoe is covered with this flexible application pad, which is a special cover sheet that prevents the shoe from melting. And with fashion film, it takes a 30-second application at 320 degrees, hot peel the backing, and we have a completed shoe. We have about a nickel of material for what we can charge $10 per pair for customization at a minimum. All right, so I won't heat print the shoes, but what I will heat print is a pair of sandals for you today, because we haven't shown this before. This is a pair of clog sandals, and some of you that are fans of our Facebook page actually have published different ideas about heat printing sandals. I heat printed one already, but I'm going to show you the other one. I'm just going to load it onto my shoe platen because it gives me a nice printable area. This is cut from fashion film. You can see the level of detail that fashion film can hold if you're willing to weed that. I probably would do something a little less detailed, but this was prepared for me. So I make sure every part is receiving pressure on the press. Let's move it back there. Cover everything with the flexible application pad. Same concept. I don't want this sort of suede material to melt when it's on the press, so I just position it. If you're worried about it moving, you can use thermal tape to secure it into place. I'm going to adjust my time up to 30 seconds. I'm already at 320 degrees. And then, should have dialed in my pressure first, but I'll do it on the fly, it's good. So I'll lock it down, give it the 30 seconds. And then after the application is complete, I peel the backing. So you can imagine the opportunities for heat printing shoes and sandals. We start to think about athletic teams, dance schools, if you're on a college campus, things like sororities, spring break. If you're at the sort of high school level selling products, there's still all types of groups that would be interested in personalized sandals, especially when they're doing fundraisers, car washes, and beach trips, all these things that are happening. Once it's applied, I peel the backing, and that's complete. Personalized pair of clog sandals. They never react to the heat when you're using the flexible application pad, and we have customers doing literally hundreds of shoes a month, all different types of soccer cleats that contain soft leathers and plastics, and this is a foolproof method for heat printing shoes. So just for perspective, this interchangeable platen costs $225. I always tell people if you heat print 25 pair of shoes, you've paid off the platen for your press, and then you need the flexible application pad.